Everyone says walking is the best exercise in old age, right? But what if I told you walking alone is not enough? Yes, after 60, your body needs more than just steps. In this video, I'll show you 6 exercises that are better than walking, safer, more effective, and perfect to keep your body young and your mind sharp. So if you're tired of just walking round and round, it's time to upgrade your routine. Why walking isn't enough? Walking is good for your heart, but it doesn't build strength, balance, or flexibility. Over time, muscles weaken, bones become fragile, and balance fades away. That's why you need a mix of exercises that train your heart, muscles, and joints together. Let's begin with number 1, the easiest and most powerful alternative to walking. Exercise 1, chair squats. This simple exercise strengthens your legs, hips, and balance. Exactly what walking misses. Just stand in front of a chair, sit down slowly, then stand back up. Repeat it 10 times. It improves muscle strength, protects your knees, and keeps you independent in old age. Exercise 2, wall push-ups. Walking doesn't work your upper body, but this one does. Stand facing a wall, place your palms flat, and push in and out slowly. It builds your arms, shoulders, and chest, giving you better posture and strength for daily tasks. Exercise 3, heel-to-toe walk. This one's for balance, something walking alone can't fix. Walk in a straight line, placing one foot directly in front of the other, heel touching toe. It trains your brain, your nerves, and your legs to work together, preventing falls and improving stability. Exercise 4, seated leg raises. If you have knee pain or arthritis, this one's perfect. Sit on a chair, lift one leg straight, hold for 5 seconds, then switch. It strengthens your thighs without putting pressure on your joints. Do 10 reps daily. You'll feel the difference in a week. Exercise 5, arm circles and shoulder rolls. Simple but powerful for mobility and stiffness. Extend your arms and make slow circles, forward and backward. Then roll your shoulders gently. It improves blood flow and reduces neck and shoulder tension. Perfect for those who sit a lot or have stiffness. Exercise 6, deep breathing and stretch. And finally, deep breathing and stretching. This is the secret to a relaxed body and active mind. Stand tall, take a deep breath, stretch your arms overhead, then exhale slowly. It reduces stress, improves lung capacity, and keeps your energy high. So yes, walking is good, but these 6 exercises together, they're the real game changers. You'll stay stronger, more flexible, and full of life without long, boring walks. Do these 6 moves daily for just 20 minutes, and you'll say, yeah, goodbye old age. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like this video, subscribe for more health tips, and share it with someone who's still only walking. Let's build a stronger, younger body, one movement at a time.